SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to create a photo album on iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you would like to be able to create a custom photo album on your iPhone so that you can manually sort some pictures into that album, then you can do so by opening the Photos app. You can then select the Albums tab at the bottom of the screen, and then you can tap the plus button at the top left of this screen. Now you just need to choose the New Album option, and then you can type the name of the album that you would like to create. And once you've typed that, then you can tap the Save button. And now if you would like to select some pictures that you want to include in that album, then you can do so. And once the pictures are selected, you can tap the Add button at the top right corner of the screen. And now you'll see that that album with the pictures that you just selected has been added to your Albums tab.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.